One of the services that the Alaska Medical Library provides its clients is article retrieval requests. So we are able to locate articles either in our collection at the University of Alaska Anchorage Health Sciences Collection or at libraries across the nation through our document delivery service. So in order to do that, as you are searching, there's two ways to do that. As you are searching using our resources, you may come across a screen where it says access now, and you click on that link and this form comes up, interlibrary loan. You would simply put in your name and your email and submit this form. It has all of the publication information already filled in, and then we will try and get it to you same day. If we do need to reach out to another library, it may take longer. You can also always email us at uaa.aml@alaska.edu, or you can use our article request form here from the Alaska Medical Library homepage under Find Information over here on the left-hand side under Articles, Article Request Form. This form, when you click on it, you'll be prompted to make sure that you're registered with us and fill out all of the information as much as you know about the article or piece of information that you're requesting. Perhaps it's a book chapter. We just ask that you try and give us as much information as you have so that we can best locate the article. Like I said, if you have any questions or you would need additional assistance, please email us at uaa.aml@alaska.edu. Thank you.